This flowery basket props is perfect for newborn photography props. Whether you're having a girl or a boy, you can always pick the color that you like. It suits your taste. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. I'm gonna use this wooden round for the base of that. This is about 30 centimeter in diameter or 11.81 inches in diameter from here. And I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to use the same base. And I'm using macrame cord, dirty white, and this green one. And I'm gonna use 4-point-millimeter hook, scissor, and measurements. So first we're gonna insert our hook here and gonna pull that yarn up. I'm gonna make a slip knot. Then it is easier like that. Chain one, insert your hook in the same circle here, grab that yarn and pull up, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So I just make a single crochet there. Go in the next hole, easier than the first one. Grab that yarn and pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat in the next hole. Grab that yarn behind and pull up. Grab that yarn and pull through 2. I'm gonna repeat that all the way around. I am here in my first single crochet. I'm gonna insert my hook here and grab that yarn and pull through. Chain 1 for the next round just to prepare. It looks so beautiful. Insert your hook in the very first single crochet, grab that yarn and pull, and make 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and we're gonna make 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around. Skip the slip stitch, skip the chain 1 and go to the first single crochet, insert, yarn over and pull through. We have 67 stitches in total in round 2. I'm gonna repeat round 2, making 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around. Chain 1 to begin in round 3, 1 single crochet in the very first stitch, and 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around. Go ahead to that, repeat round 2. So flip it like this and like this all the way around. Then our hook is at the back. And like that, and which is way much easier. And it's the same thing. You're gonna make a chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the first stitch. I am now in round 4, and 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around. Just make sure you have the same number of stitches in the previous round, which I have 67 stitches in the first round and all the way up. Round 7, we're gonna increase chain 1, which I did already, 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and repeat that, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next, all the way around. I ended up with 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Skip the slip stitch in the previous round and skip the chain 1. Go in the first single crochet, make 1 slip stitch to close that round. And you're done with round 7. Round 8, I'm gonna repeat round 2, placing 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around. And that will give me the same number of stitches in round 7, which is 101 stitches in total. This is your work should look like. I cut the yarn already after making a slip stitch, and that end me up in round 11. So round 8, 9, 10 and 11, I am repeating round 2. This is about like 3.5 inches long. We are now in round 12. Insert your hook here. I'm gonna insert my hook in this, anywhere in the stitch, but I'm gonna insert my hook after the slip stitch so I know where I am. So make a slip knot of the new color that you are going to use and pull. I'm gonna chain 1, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab that yarn and pull, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around, and repeat round 2 again, but the total number of stitches is 101, which is the same total number of stitches in the previous round of round 8, 9, 10 and 11, which is 101 stitches. Repeating round 2 because we're gonna make 1 single crochet per stitches. So go ahead do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. I'm gonna show you how many rounds I made for this color also. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. I ended up with round 17. Secure the remaining stitch after that. I'm just gonna get that yarn and pull, and the other side pull, and make a few knots here after that. You can hide the rest of the yarns here. Okay. For the handle of our basket, I'm gonna just insert my hook there, or you can insert your hook anywhere in the stitch. It's really up to you. Make a slip knot, and then pull, and I'm gonna make a chain, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull. I made a chain of 17 here, which is about 7 inches long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then in the 11th stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull, and make 1 slip stitch there. Chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn after that. So I skipped 39 stitches from this one. After this stitch, I start counting here. 39 stitches all the way to this hook. This is 40 stitches. So grab your yarn in the 40 stitches. So 39, 40, and then make a slip stitch, and we're gonna repeat the handle here. And pull, chain 17 like the other handle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's skip 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then in the 11th stitch, take out this stitch marker which I placed before that, and then yarn over and pull, and pull through in that loop in your hook. We try to take that inside and then chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. For that, this is also here 39 stitches, which is perfect, and it's just balanced now. It's good. Perfect. For the edging, I'm gonna use this yarn. This is gonna like a medium weight yarn, and I'm gonna use 4mm hook for that, which is no problem. You can use whatever kinds of color you have for the edging. This is cotton, by the way. I'm gonna insert my hook anywhere in the stitch. I'm gonna pick this one, make 1 single crochet, make a slip knot first, and then pull, make a chain 1, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull, make 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat that 4 more times in the same stitch. It's 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, sorry, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet in total in 1 stitch. Skip the next stitch and go to the next, place 1 single crochet, just like that. And we're making a slip stitch, a shell stitches around the edges of the basket. So repeat 1 single crochet and then repeat the shell stitch, 5 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Skip the next stitch, go to the next, make 1 single crochet. Repeat that all the way around. Skip the next chain and start in the next, make 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet in the next. So we're just repeating the pattern now. The only thing is that we place it on a chain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next chain, go to the next, place 1 single crochet. Repeat that all the way. I'm here in my last stitch. Gonna make a slip stitch in my first single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Now this is how it looks like for the basket, which is very much easy to make. Shell stitches around the edges, and this one I leave this alone here because I decided to place it on the top, and repeating that all the way around. So it's here and here. I have here a flower. I will put the link in the description box below for the flower tutorial, which is very much easier. So I'm gonna connect this around this round here, and there's gonna be a little bit opening here. It's up to you how you want to do it. I'm just using a very basic stitches here, or sewing also, and there you go, nicely attached. So I have 7 flowers in total, and then I spread it around the green area. I spread it just enough distance, the same distance from one another. That's how it looks like. Very beautiful. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends who want to have a basket crochet. And I also have a lot of crochet tutorials perfect for beginners. See you. Bye.